Come, Mom.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
Why you? Okay, come on. Go.
I don't know exactly what you mean.
Huh? What?
I'm on the phone.
Oh. Look at that, Mom.
Yeah.
Look, Mom. I'm scared. He's gonna bite you, Mom.
Right.
See that? See that? Let's look for the peacocks. Let's look for the peacock.
See? You just didn't know how to cope.
Nothing's in that cage. What was that sound?
It's huge. All right. Bye.
Roar! Mom, say roar!
I want to keep it to myself.
Roar! Where's his tail? Let's go. Come on.
All right.
Come on, Dad.
Bye. You don't want to see? You done looking at the tire?
He's not doing nothing.
That's my favorite.
Peacocks, where are those?
Peacocks are all over the place.
Where? You don't see none. What was that? It was nothing.
Used to be monkeys. No, it's nothing because the cage was all open. They used to have monkeys in there.
See? No signs? Nothing.
This is one of the saddest zoos. It used to be really nice, but now they didn't even take care of it. Used to be animals in these cages. They're gone. Used to be animals over there. They're gone.
They died.
They died.
Yeah, they died. They passed away.
You go just walking around and you don't see anything. Right
I'm
now,
gonna feed the animals.
they don't let you feed the animals. Here's the animals used to be in here.
Nothing in here.
Oh, they're in there hiding. They're bathing in the sun.
Come here. These are all the animal balls.
It is a wire. Look at him. Look, I'm looking at you. Here go another one. And you see a peacock.
Look at the ducks swinging their tails.
Oh yeah. No, here go a white one.
We saw this before. There's a cool one back there. There's a cool one right here. Cool one.
Okay.
Cool one. Oh,
You see him?
there's owls everywhere. He's in this house. Back.
Oh.
Come over here. Come over here. See what?
He's saying, whoo.
Woo! Where's Steve?
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Well, this is how we spent our Easter.
Look at the peacock. Look at the peacock.
Yeah, he's pretty, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
saw the ducks. Okay, the porcupine is out.
It must be a sign of don't touch him. They're spiky. It must be a sign don't touch him because they're spiky.
Okay.
What do you mean no pets?
Nope, they don't want you to bring your dog.
I just saw somebody bring their dog.
But they're not supposed to.
They're rangers. Mom, can we go in that park? Mom, can we go in the park?
No, we got things to do.